Well, we made it. We made it through a week that was dominated by trade, and stocks were pretty much all over the place with steep sell-offs and strong rallies. And today wasn't any different. Stocks started lower after President Trump said the U.S. was not ready to strike a trade deal with China, and then added to the tension by talking about Chinese tech firm Huawei.
We're not going to do business with Huawei. We're not doing business with them. And I really made the decision. It's much simpler not to do any business with Huawei. So we're not doing business with Huawei. That doesn't mean we won't agree to something if and when we make a trade deal. But we're not going to be doing business with Huawei.
And stocks headed lower. The White House later clarified, saying it was only the government not buying from Huawei. And with that, stocks recovered a bit. The Dow had been down about 280 points and then briefly went positive, but ended down 90 to 26,287. The Nasdaq dropped 80 and the S&P 500 was off 19. And today's action seemed only fitting on this wild week.
We're going to have a lot of red on that board.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average that right now is down 926 points. Investors worrying about the U.S.-China trade war escalating.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average closes the day down 763 points.
Worst day of the year for stocks.
A healthy little bounce back today, up about 1% on the S&P.
There was buying today. Back over the 26,000 level in the Dow, ended up 313 points right near session highs.
We have regained about a little less than half the losses of yesterday.
Another big sell-off here on Wall Street.
Why have things gotten so weird in August? Well, two things have happened. Number one, the Federal Reserve happened, and number two, more tariffs.
The market pain is a lot less than what it was in the first hour or so of trading. Right now, we're only down 212.
Dow Jones Industrial Average closing just fractionally negative. And this is the biggest comeback.
Stocks are staging a recovery today.
It's a pretty big move higher, 1.5% almost to the upside.
With today's gains, even with Monday's massive drop, we are now positive for the week.
The market half an hour into trading. We pull back.
Dow down triple digits again, down right now about 165 points.
We are sitting at session lows right now. S&P 500, 2902 is a level.
We've had a nice little rally just as I've been standing here in the past few minutes.
There's the close for a wild week. Grouping a little bit going into the close. The Dow ending the day down 82. S&P 500 down 19 points.
For the week, despite all of that volatility, all three indexes were off just a fraction.